students, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to deal with a new lesson. The name is The Donkey and I Had a Little Pony. In this lesson we have two poems to study. First one, The Donkey, and the second one, I Had a Little Pony. Okay, these are small poems and these poems deal with the importance of caring animals. Okay, we should love animals, we should be kind to animals. If we love them, we can make them obey whatever we tell. Okay, so first poem, The Donkey. Let's read the poem. If I had a donkey and he wouldn't go, would I wallop him? No, no, no. I would find a little hay and give him some corn. Then he would be the best donkey that ever was born. Okay, so this is the first poem, The Donkey. So what it says, if I had a donkey and he wouldn't go. So the child in the poem says that if he has a donkey and the donkey is not going and the donkey wouldn't go, if the donkey is not obeying the child, he is asking, would I wallop him? No, no, no. Would I wallop him means would I beat him? Wallop means beat, hit hard. Okay, so the child says that if he has a donkey and the donkey is not obeying him, should he wallop him? Should he beat him? No, no, no. The child says that no, I should not beat the donkey. So what he else do? What he can do then to make the donkey move? I would find a little hay and give him some corn. He would find a little hay. Hay means grass, dried grass. He will give the donkey food. It's food. Okay, he will give the donkey dry grass and he will give the donkey corn. Okay, corn is a cereal. You know corn. You can see in the picture what is hay and corn. So, in order to make the donkey move, the child says that he will give some dry grass and corn to the donkey. Then he would be the best donkey that ever was born. Then that donkey will be the best donkey that ever was born. That means if he give food to the donkey will obey whatever he says. Okay, so he will go with the donkey will go with him. So in order to make the donkey obey or in order to make the donkey move, we should not beat the donkey. Instead, we have to give him his favorite food. Okay, if he is tired or if he is hungry, the donkey will not move. After giving food, the donkey will feel better and then he will be happy. At that time, the donkey will obey us. Okay, so all the animals, this is about all the animals. If the animals are in hunger or if they are tired, they wouldn't obey whatever we says. So in order to make them obey, in order to make the animals obey, we should not beat them. Okay, we should give them their food. If they eat their food, they will feel better and at that time they will be happy and at that time they will obey whatever we say. Okay, so this is the poem The Donkey. And the next poem is I Had a Little Pony. I had a little pony. What is the meaning pony? Pony is the name for a baby horse. Okay, a baby horse is called pony. I had a little pony. His name was Dapple Grey. I lent him to a lady who ride a mile away. To ride a mile away. She whipped him, she lashed him, she drove him through the mire. I wouldn't lend my pony now for all the ladies hire. So, what is the poem says? I had a little pony, his name was Dapple Grey. So, the child in the poem says that the child has a little pony, the child has a baby horse, and its name was Dapple Grey. Its name was Dapple Grey. I lent him to a lady. Lent means give to someone for using sometime. Okay, so I lent him to a lady to ride a mile away. In order to ride, for horse riding, the child in the poem lent the horse to a lady, okay, for riding for some time. Okay, she whipped him, she lashed him, she drove him through the mire. So what did the lady do to the pony? She whipped him. Whipped means beat with a whip. What is the meaning? Whip. Whip is a long thick thread-like thing that used to beat animals. Okay, you can see in the picture, the picture of whip. So whipped means beat, hit with this thing. Hit with a whip is called whipped. She beat the pony. She lashed him. Lash means beat with a stick. Okay, first she beat the horse with a whip. Second time she hit the baby horse with a stick. Lashed means beat with a stick. She drove him through the mire. Then she drove the horse through the mire. Mire means deep mud, muddy area. Okay, she whipped it, she lashed it, and she drove him through the muddy area. I wouldn't lend my pony now for all the ladies hire. So now the child says that he wouldn't lend his pony to that lady for all the ladies hire, even though if she gives so much money to that child, he wouldn't give his pony to her because she whipped that baby horse. Okay, she lashed that horse and she drove that horse through the mire. Mire means muddy area. So now if she give money, the child says that he wouldn't give his pony to that lady. Hire means വാടകയ്ക്ക് കൊടുക്കുക. Hire. So the child says that even though if she gives so many money to the child will not give his baby horse to that lady because the lady is very cruel. She beat the baby horse. So the child love his horse very much. That is why he says so. Okay. So these two poems deal with the importance of caring animals. Okay, we should be very kind to animals. We should love animals. Okay, so I hope all of you understood this poem. Thank you.